In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the project timeline feature in Jira Cloud, fully explained to help you use it more effectively in your project management tasks. Let's dive into understanding exactly what timelines can do for you in Jira. Project timelines offer a visual representation of your work and deadlines in a calendar layout. They help you organize, track, and manage tasks and milestones chronologically, enhancing team coordination. By visualizing your project's timeline, you gain clarity on the schedule and progress, leading to better planning and decision-making. In most cases, Jira templates include a timeline view tab automatically. This convenient feature offers a straightforward way to access your project's timelines. However, if you don't see it right away, don't worry, it's easy to add. Simply look for the plus icon at the top of your view tabs. Once you click on that, choose the timeline option from the menu and add it to your navigation bar. This will ensure it's easy to access whenever you need to view your project's timeline. Now that you've got your timeline set up, click on that tab to bring it up. Once inside the Jira timeline view, you'll find a plethora of options and features designed to help you make the most of your project planning experience. You can see all your project's tasks laid out neatly across a timeline. This makes it easy to understand what needs to be done and when. Tasks are represented as bars across the timeline, giving you a clear visualization of their durations. By clicking on each task, you can see additional details and even make adjustments as needed. One of the great things you can do within the Jira timeline is to adjust task start and end dates by simply dragging and dropping the taskbars. This makes scheduling even more flexible, as you can easily respond to changes without having to dig through complex settings. Another powerful feature is the ability to add dependencies between tasks. Dependencies are crucial for understanding the sequence of tasks and ensuring that the workflow proceeds smoothly. Creating dependency links between tasks is simple. Just click and drag from one task to another. This visually demonstrates which tasks rely on the completion of others, helping avoid scheduling conflicts and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Additionally, you can focus on specific time frames by zooming in and out of your timeline. Whether you need to concentrate on immediate tasks for a weekly sprint or plan for long-term milestones across months, adjusting the timeline view gives you the flexibility to tailor the perspective to your needs. And that's all there is to it. With these tools at your disposal, Jira's timeline view can transform your project management process, offering greater insight and control. By fully utilizing these features, you're on your way to achieving a more structured and efficient approach to managing your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.